What is up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to All About AI Tech, the channel where we break down the hottest trends in artificial intelligence. And trust me, things are heating up. Today, we're diving into the world of AI tools that are revolutionizing how we work, from writing software to crunching data. And if that wasn't cool enough, we'll even look at how AI is helping us communicate with whales. You heard that right, whales. So strap in, smash that like button, and let's get started. First up, we've got GitHub Copilot, your new best friend in the world of coding. Imagine this. You're wrestling with a tricky piece of code, and bam! Copilot swoops in with suggestions, like an AI-powered coding buddy. But it's not just about autocomplete. This thing can suggest entire lines or even blocks of code. Seriously, it's like having a super smart partner who just gets you. And the best part? It learns from you, adapts to your coding style, and gets even better over time. Multilingual? You bet. Copilot tackles a ton of programming languages, so no matter your jam, it's got your back. Next, let's talk about Codium. Now, this platform is all about streamlining your coding workflow and minimizing those pesky errors that keep us up at night. What sets Codium apart is its incredibly versatile autocomplete function. I'm talking way beyond just suggesting syntax. Codium dives deep into your existing codebase, gets the nuances of your project style, and then generates new code segments that fit seamlessly. This means your code is not only functionally sound, but also consistent and aligned with your project's overall architecture. Plus, it works across a ton of languages and integrates with a bunch of popular code editors. Talk about a win-win. All right, folks, hold on to your hats because Replit Ghostwriter is here to make coding feel almost effortless. Imagine this. You're typing out your code, and in real time, Ghostwriter is right there with you, filling in the blanks and predicting what you're going to write next. This is real-time code completion at its finest. It's like having an AI sidekick who knows exactly what you're thinking before you even do. And because it's integrated right into the Replit online code editor, you can write, run, and debug your code all in one place. Oh, and did I mention it helps prevent those embarrassing syntax errors? Yeah, that's a lifesaver right there. Let's be real, security is a big deal, especially when it comes to writing code. That's where Amazon Code Whisperer comes in. This AI powerhouse has been trained on billions of lines of code, so it can spot vulnerabilities and security issues faster than you can say cybersecurity. But it's not just about pointing out flaws. Code Whisperer gives you instant solutions, ensuring your code is locked down tight. Plus, it helps you adhere to all those top-notch security standards. You know, the kind that keeps your code safe from those digital bad guys. Okay, gotta love this one. It's called CodePal, and it's like having a coding tutor right at your fingertips. What's great about CodePal is its simplicity. You just select your programming language, tell it what you want the code to do, like create a calculator or something, and boom, CodePal whips up the code for you. And if you're ever unsure about what's going on, you can ask CodePal to explain the code, like a patient teacher. It's perfect for beginners who are just starting out, or even experienced programmers who want to learn a new language, or just need a little help sometimes. Let's face it, code reviews can be a bit tedious, right? Well, my friends, Cody is here to change that. This AI-powered tool from SourceGraph goes way beyond basic code completion, offering automated code reviews that'll make your code cleaner and more efficient. Cody understands the context of your code, meaning it can provide meaningful suggestions and identify potential bugs before they become major headaches. Think of it as having an extra set of eyes on your code, making sure everything is shipshape and ready to go. Ever feel like you're typing the same lines of code over and over? Yeah, we've all been there. Tab 9 is all about making your coding life easier and faster. It uses machine learning to predict what you're going to type next, giving you super accurate code completions and suggestions. But here's the kicker. Tab 9 plays nicely with over 20 programming languages and integrates seamlessly with all the popular code editors. This means no matter what you're working on or what platform you prefer, Tab 9's got you covered. All right, designers and developers, this one's for you. Mutable AI is a total game changer when it comes to bridging the gap between design and development. You know that tedious process of translating designs into functional code? Well, Mutable AI automates it. Just feed it your design files and watch in amazement as it spits out clean, optimized HTML/CSS code. And the best part? It supports responsive design, so you know your websites will look amazing on any device. This is collaboration on a whole new level, folks. Ever get stuck on a coding problem and just wish you had someone to bounce ideas off of? Well, with Ask Cody, you do. This handy tool is chock full of features, from code generators and auto test creators to documentation tools and a super slick autocomplete function. But the real magic happens in its chat feature. Ask Cody's chatbot is like having a coding mentor in your pocket. You can ask it questions, get code snippets, and even troubleshoot those head-scratching errors. It's like having a personal coding assistant available 24/7. Let's face it, SQL queries can be intimidating. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just starting out, AI2SQL is here to simplify your life. This AI-powered tool effortlessly translates your plain English queries into perfectly formatted SQL statements. You're not a coding wizard? No problem. AI2SQL takes care of the complex syntax and lets you focus on what really matters, extracting insights from your data. Remember how we talked about AI helping us talk to whales? Well, this is where it gets really mind-blowing. Organizations like the Earth Species Project are using the power of artificial intelligence to decode animal communication, specifically the complex songs of humpback whales. They're analyzing massive data sets of whale sounds, looking for patterns and meaning that we, as humans, might have missed before. This is groundbreaking stuff, people. It has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the natural world and maybe, just maybe, open up the lines of communication between us and other species. Now let's shift gears and talk about how AI is tackling climate change. Digital Green, a nonprofit focused on smallholder farmers, is using AI to empower farmers around the world. They developed Farmer Chat, an AI-powered chatbot that provides farmers with personalized advice on everything from climate-smart agriculture practices to market information and local supplier connections. Imagine the impact this can have, especially for farmers in developing countries who often lack access to resources and information. With AI as their guide, farmers can boost their yields, increase their income, and become more resilient in the face of climate change. And speaking of climate change, let's talk about Climate Policy Radar, CPR, an organization that's using AI to fight climate change on a global scale. CPR's platform uses AI to gather, organize, and analyze climate laws and policies from every corner of the world. Think of it like a giant searchable database of all things climate policy. Researchers, policymakers, and advocates can access this treasure trove of information to identify trends, track progress, and develop more effective climate solutions. Knowledge is power, and with CPR's AI-powered platform, we're one step closer to a more sustainable future. As you can see, the potential of AI is absolutely mind-blowing. From helping us code better and analyze data faster, to protecting our planet and even communicating with whales, AI is rapidly changing the world around us. But, of course, as with any powerful technology, there are important ethical considerations to think about. How do we ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly? How do we mitigate potential risks and biases? These are questions that we need to address as we continue to explore the frontiers of AI. And that's where you come in, my friends. I'm really passionate about building a community here at All About AI Tech, a space where we can discuss these important topics, share ideas, and learn from each other. So, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down below, and let me know what you think about the future of AI. Because hey, the future is what we make it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.